Okay everyone, so in this video we're gonna learn how you can remove this one that you see in your footer in your Shopify store. So powered by Shopify. So we're gonna remove this link. So to do that, just go up to your backend of your Shopify store and we're gonna go to the left sidebar and go and click on online store. Now choose themes, and now we're gonna go to your current theme and we're gonna go and click on actions. Go down and click on edit code. So now we're gonna search for files. We're gonna search for footer, like so, and we're gonna choose this one, footer.liquid, and click right here in this area. And now we're gonna type on your keyboard Command F for Mac and Control F for PC, like so. So we got this search bar. And now we're gonna search for powered, like so, and we can see that we get this result right here. So powered by link. So to remove this, all we need to do is just delete this line of code, like so, and we're gonna go up right here and click on save. Let's go back to your Shopify store and have a look. We're gonna update the browser, and now we can see that we have removed the Powered by Shopify link. Okay everyone, so comment below if this worked out for you. Also check out my full Shopify playlist in the description below. Subscribe, have an awesome day, take care and bye.